Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Praveen and you are watching Techie Praveen. So in this video, I'm going to talk about another very good problem for lead code, that is find the index of the first occurrence in a string. So we have given two strings, one is needle and one is haystack. We return the index of the first occurrence of a needle in haystack or -1 if needle is not a part of a haystack. So basically, we have a two different strings. One is the name of a haystack, and one is the name of a needle. And we need to check that the string consists of a needle should exist in haystack or not. First, one is we need to check whether the string is present or not. If it's not present, then we have to return -1. And if the string is present, then we have to share the index of that. Okay, we need to share the first occurrence, so we return 0. Okay, so it means if this string consists many time inside the string, so we have to return the index of the first occurrence of a string. Okay, cool. So let me open my IDE and try to solve this problem. So let me copy the method name. Cool. So now I have to take the length of that first. So m equals to haystack dot length integer n equals to needle dot length, and then I need to run one for loop. We start from index 0 till the length of the string minus the length of the needle. Cool. So m minus 1 plus 1, m minus n plus 1. Cool. And I have to check one condition, that if haystack dot substring. So substring basically used to show the substring of a string based on a index, beginning index and ending index. So I have to share I plus n dot equals needle. Cool. And we have to return I. And if the value is not present, then we have to return -1. That's it. Now let me create my main method. Uh, so my main method, cool. So let me copy the values of my strings, haystack and needle. Cool. And my str was my method name, and need to pass the two different values. And let me run. Cool. So index starts from 0. That's why it's showing 0. So if you closely observe the string, then the SAD present in two different index. So let me remove my first index and then run. So I'll get the value 3. Okay, cool. So my program is working fine. Let me put inside the lead code to check whether it's working fine or not, whether the lead code accepting my code or not. So let me run. Cool. My both the cases are passed, and let me submit. Code is submitting. My code is working fine. Cool. Let me explain you one more time. So basically, we have a problem where I need to check my one string is present inside second string or not. If the string is not present, then it should return -1, or if the string is present, it should return the first index of that. So it means if the needle string is having multiple times present in the haystack, then we have to return the first index of that. So I have taken one integer that is the name of m, which is the haystack length, and n, which is the needle length. And I'm running one loop which starts from 0 index, and which runs from m minus 1 plus 1 minus n plus 1. So basically, haystack length minus needle length plus 1. So basically, I need to run the loop till this length only. I don't need to move forward. And then I have checked one condition that if haystack dot service string, basically I need to start a length index, starting index of that. So haystack dot service strings means I plus n, means one. One is, if you're talking about zero index, so zero plus the length of the needle needle length. If this equals to a needle, because we need to check the complete length of this. So if this string consists of two or more characters, then need to check the complete string is present inside the haystack or not. Okay, and then if the combination is present, then it should return the first index value. Otherwise, it should return -1. Okay, so this is only for this video. I hope you like the video and you like my teaching style. If you like my video, then please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And if you are facing any issue in understanding any concept, or you're not able to understand this video as well, so you can share it on the comment section. I will try to create a separate video for you to solve your concern. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.